Welcome to today's video on Class 3 levers and why your arms are actually weak machines. Did you know your bicep has to pull with nearly 50 kilograms of force just to lift a 5-kilogram weight? It sounds like a glitch in our biology, but understanding this is crucial for unraveling the marvel of nature's engineering in our own bodies. In simple terms, a lever is a rigid bar that rotates around a fixed point called the fulcrum. In a Class 3 lever, the effort is applied between the fulcrum and the load. This might seem inefficient compared to other lever types, and in terms of raw power, it is, but that's exactly what we're diving into today. Picture your own arm. Your elbow acts as the fulcrum. The effort is applied by your bicep muscle, attaching just below the joint, and the load is the weight in your hand. Because the effort is applied so much closer to the fulcrum than the load, your arm's lever system gives you what physics calls a mechanical disadvantage. It's like trying to close a heavy door by pushing right next to the hinges instead of the handle. But why would our bodies evolve to have such a seemingly inefficient system? The secret lies in the trade-off. We sacrifice force for speed and range of motion. Because your muscle pulls a tiny distance near the pivot, your hand can move a massive distance at the other end. This design is perfect for tasks that require rapid, sweeping movements rather than raw strength. Although your arms might be considered weak machines in terms of sheer power, they excel in delivering swift and precise actions, from throwing a ball to typing on a keyboard. By using this weak system, our muscles become highly effective at performing tasks that require finesse and dexterity. This allows athletes to swing a tennis racket or make a basketball shot with remarkable speed. So, remember, when you feel that your arms could use more strength, appreciate the ingenious design that lets you maneuver with such speed and grace. Nature didn't build you to be a crane, it built you to be an athlete. Thank you for watching, and I hope this exploration into the world of levers enlightens your view on the fascinating design of the human body. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment to let me know what you think. See you in the next video.